Hello, in this video I will talk about in Wix. We have a Wix form and payments, this built-in app. If you go to apps, manage apps, you can see this one, it's built-in one. So when we open the forms, actually it's under forms and submissions. So if you have a form and you want to put it in multiple pages, I mean the same form you want to put in multiple pages. So to do that, you need to create a standalone forms. Okay, not the website forms. So create a standalone forms. For example, you want application, get start. Now we have application here. Okay, so we save it, and after we save it, let's go back to the forms. We have the application over here. Okay, so in this case, if you share the form, click share, copy the link, and then let's go back to my website. So my website don't have the application, okay? So as the blank page, I don't have this form. So I can put the form, copy the link again, and go to the blank page. So that's the page I'm looking for, editing, okay? Took a long time to load in the editor. Okay, let's go to the blank page. And then we add embed code, embed HTML, okay? We enter code, website address. Then we paste the address here, okay? The address is from share forms and get the link, okay? Where it is here. So we enter the link. It will show the application form here. Let's adjust it. Okay, to the end. Because we don't want the scroll bar here. So that's why we add it here. Let's hold and drag to the very end. Okay, now I have the, if you don't like the Power by Ascent, you can do something like that. And let's publish. Let's go back to the blank page, refresh. Now you can see the whole form here. Okay. Let's remove the scroll bar here. Okay, now we remove the scroll bar. Okay, publish. Let's refresh here. Oh, we still see that. Now we don't have a scroll bar. Okay, so you can do the same thing. For example, by about, you can put the application form here. It's same thing. You go to the web editor, find the about page, and then you add the same thing here. Oh, find the embed code and HTML, edit code, web address, same address, application, let's go to here. Okay, you can adjust by yourself the same thing and publish. Let's go by to see the same application form will show up in two different pages. Okay, that's how you do a single form to put in multiple pages. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.